Hello world, Shelly here, and my microphone batteries died while I filmed the intro and outro, so we're gonna do my February Boxycharm as a voiceover. Bonus, you get a tutorial with the carroty smoky palette, kind of. While I was doing that, I had the scene from Clerks with Salsa Shark in my head.
Salsa Shark.
Just saying, you know what I'm talking about? Alright, took my favorite poof, put that in the crease. These are not in the Boxycharm this month. Then I'm putting some of that pink color to kind of deepen the crease a little bit, but I just want to show you guys how I got the whole look, so we might as well go through it all. And next I'm going to darken things up with this blue shade. I'm using Real Techniques flat shader brush here. Now, this Boxycharm box, if you're unfamiliar with Boxycharm, it is a subscription, $21 per month. You get 4 to 5 full-size products in every box, and I have been subscribed for over a year. I thoroughly love my Boxycharm. Deepening the outer V. Here's the first item from the box. It's from Vintage. It is the Smoky Eye Pencil. Retails for $21. Now, I think this is just your typical black pencil. It's not the blackest black pencil I've ever used. It claims to be smooth and creamy and precise, and it's not the smoothest pencil I've used. It's not too bad in terms of it tugging on my lids, so it was fine. I don't know if I would pay $21 for it. I'd probably pay $10 for it. But, you know, can you ever have too many black eye pencils in your collection? Probably not. But as you see, it's a little bit tough for me to get it built up quite to the depth that I want it to. If you don't know what those things under my eyes are, I'm wearing shadow shields. I'm doing my eye makeup first, just in case I had any fallout going on, because we're going to use some glitter in this box. I'm now tightlining my upper lash line with the Vintage pencil, and it was fine. This is also in the box from Cover FX. It is the Shimmervale in the shade Amethyst. Retails for $28. Kind of like the Stila Glitter and Glows, except instead of being glitter, it's just kind of like a shimmer. I don't like it as much as the Stila. It emphasized all of the texture on my eyelids, and on my one eyelid that has a little bit of a dry patch going on right now, it was actually kind of stinging, and it just was a little harsh. I think it is pretty. It's totally fine. I just prefer the opacity and the look of the Stila. The Stila doesn't emphasize texture quite as much, and also I tested this 2 different ways. The pencil was really hard to do over this Cover FX Shimmervale, so I think that's the fault of the Shimmervale, not the pencil. Here's my little magic trick. We're going to use some glitter glue, and I did not get a picture of the Bella Pierre Cosmetic Glitter, but I'm using the NYX glitter glue to put that under my lower lash line. The glitter was okay. It's fine. It's cosmetic glitter. It retails for $15. It's just glitter. I don't like loose glitter all that much. This crown brush set, though, I like a lot. This came in the Boxycharm. It is the Face Trio for $29.99 retail value. The highlighter that I'm using is also from the box from Naked Cosmetics. It's their highlighter palette, retail $39.99. I would not pay $40 for it. I'd pay $20 for it, though. This reminds me a whole lot of the Kat Von D Alchemist highlights. So you can use them as straight up highlight the way I've done here, but I think they probably work even better if you start layering them over things like black liner and different colored dark shadows. I think you'll get a lot better sort of versatility out of them doing it that way. So yeah, I'll link that video down below when I was testing out the Alchemist palette with that. But as you see, they work really fine as highlighters. They're colored. They've all got a color tint to them. So if that's what you're going for. And here is the finished look. I apologize for the issues with the audio here, but I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up down below. I will leave a link to Boxycharm if you would like to check them out. I do recommend them regardless of if you used my link or not. If you do use my affiliate link, I will get a discount off my next box. But for your $21, this one retailed for $133.98. Totally worth it, IMHO. So thanks a lot for taking some time out of your day to geek out over makeup with me. I appreciate it, and I hope you guys all have an awesome day or night wherever you are in the world. Take care of each other. Bye-bye.